Are you bored with having lots of cosmetics, but you cannot carry all of them to everywhere you go? If you are, let me teach you how to make a drawstring bag for keeping your cosmetics. Alright, before getting started, you need to prepare some materials. You need to use a rectangle pattern. It's 8 inches wide and 9 inches long. Sewing needles and safety pins. Thread, cord, tape measure and ruler, pencil, and yes, scissors. Now, let's begin with the first step, measuring and cutting. Put the pattern on the fabric and trace around it to make 2 rectangles. And then, measure 25 inches per accord. Now, let's cut them in shape and size you measure. Here are pieces of your fabric and pieces of your cord after cutting. Now, let's move to the next step. In the step of sewing, you need to sew your bag in the wrong side of the fabric. Not this, but this. Moreover, you should use the thread color that matches with your fabric. For the both wide sides of the fabric, you have to fold the edge of them inwards around 1.5 inches and sew along the edge of them to make a casing. Fold the fabric in half and leave the space for sewing the edge on each wide side, about 1 inch. I've got the bag already, but I haven't got the drawstring to make it tighter. So let's move to do it in the next step. Finally, we come to the last step, that is assembling the drawstring bag. In this step, don't forget to turn your bag inside out before assembling. Attach a safety pin on one end of your cord and thread it through the first hole, going around and coming out in the hole next to it. Next, repeat this step with another cord. Lastly, knot your end of your cords on each side together. Ta-da! Here is my chic drawstring bag. Now, I don't have to choose only necessary cosmetics, cause I can carry all of them to everywhere I go in one hand. Bye!